Carry the torch to supersize and grow your business. Yes, this is a wine glass, not a torch, but I figured, knowing myself, it was probably best not to bring flames into my office. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom for today is, and for Supersize Your Business, is to carry the torch. Carrying the torch. We're talking about contribution every day this month in our Get Your Goals annual challenge. So last year I decided to make my life a little easier and talk about a related idiom in our Supersize Your Business group, as well as what we're doing for the annual challenge. And so today it is carry the torch. This one, of course, dates back to the Olympic Games and actually Greek and Roman traditions. There's the traditional Greek and Roman wedding torch, which is to carry a torch, not the torch. To carry the torch means to continue a tradition or a cause or a legacy that was started by someone else. Now, it may or may not be true for your business, but my question for you today is, what are you continuing, or what cause are you furthering, or what problems are you solving, or what, I guess it comes down to my core values and my core beliefs when I think about my businesses, and what things am I making sure are incorporated into my business so that I continue the legacy of them in my business and they become a foundational structure of it. For example, continuous improvement is a foundational core value of mine personally, and I build that into every one of the businesses that I'm a member of, or a participant in, or an owner of. Another one would be under promise and over deliver, under promise and over deliver, under promise and over deliver. Because I, in my earlier corporate experience, had to deal with the problems that were created by groups in the organization that overpromised, and we couldn't possibly ever deliver on the things that they promised. And so that became a core belief of mine and how I run my businesses. So my question for you today is, what torch or idea or belief are you carrying throughout your business that you're making a part of your culture to build as a foundational thing that all of the people in your organization can wrap their heads around, wrap their hearts around, and provide the best possible service? Customer service and focusing on the customer. Although I will contend the customer is not always right, because we don't always choose the right customers for our businesses. We get better and better at that over time, by the way. But in the beginning, we definitely don't. If you haven't served the wrong customer yet, then you probably haven't supersized your business, or there's something else missing. Because everybody that I've ever met who has been in business long enough and has achieved a modicum of success has made mistakes. And one of the mistakes we all make is having a customer that isn't right for us. Not that they're a bad customer, they're just not the right customer for us. So share in the comments below, please, one torch that you're carrying in your business. One thing, one theme, one motto, and we'll talk about mottos later this month, I think, but one idea that your business is based around, right? And our businesses should be based around one solid foundational idea. All right, any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Go carry that torch. I'll probably have a glass of wine in this tonight, I'm thinking. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye.